Welcome. Today we're exploring romance after baby. Why do couples struggle and how can you fix it? The truth no one tells new parents is how challenging it is to keep the romance alive after a baby arrives. You love your partner, you adore your baby, but somehow the romance between you and your partner feels different. The late night conversations have been replaced with midnight diaper changes. Date nights are now doctor appointments. Hugs sometimes feel rushed, and intimacy that may feel like a distant memory. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Many couples believe something is wrong with their relationship after having a baby. But the truth is this: most couples experience a dip in romance after a child is born. The good news? Romance doesn't have to disappear after baby, it just needs to evolve. In this video, we'll break down why many couples struggle with romance after having a baby. And more importantly, practical ways to fix it. If you're a new parent or planning to become one someday, this conversation could save your relationship. Life changes overnight. Before the baby, your life likely had routines centered around you and your partner. After the baby, everything revolves around the child. Conversations revolve around feeding, diapers, and naps. A couple who once spent Friday nights watching movies together might now spend those nights rocking a crying baby to sleep. This shift is natural, but it can unintentionally push the relationship to the background. Fix. Make the relationship a priority again. Even small things like sitting together for 10 minutes after the baby sleeps can rebuild connection. Exhaustion becomes the third partner. It slowly pushes romance to the side. Sleep deprivation is one of the biggest relationship stressors for new parents. When you're constantly tired, patience becomes thin. Small things can suddenly turn into arguments. One partner forgets to buy diapers. Normally, it wouldn't matter. But when both partners are exhausted, it becomes a heated conversation. Fix. Instead of blaming each other, remember, you're both on the same team. Share night duties when possible and give each other breaks. A well-rested couple communicates better. Number 3, intimacy takes a back seat. This is a common issue, but there are ways to bring it back. Physical intimacy often drops after childbirth. Reasons include physical recovery after delivery, hormonal changes, fatigue, and emotional adjustment to parenthood. For many couples, this sudden shift can create confusion or insecurity. One partner may feel rejected, while the other simply feels overwhelmed and exhausted. Talk openly about expectations and feelings. Intimacy isn't just physical. It includes hugs, holding hands, compliments, and emotional closeness. Start small and rebuild gradually. The identity shift after baby is real. You feel like you've lost yourself. Let's talk about how to find your way back.
Instead of being partners or lovers, couples begin to see themselves mainly as mom and dad.
While parenting is beautiful, it can unintentionally erase the romantic identity in the relationship. Fix. Make space to still be individuals and partners, not just parents. Even simple acts like dressing up for dinner at home can remind you of the relationship you built before the baby. With new responsibilities and stress, communication often becomes short and functional. Instead of meaningful conversations, couples talk mainly about logistics. Did you feed the baby? Did you call the pediatrician? Whose turn is it tonight? How are you really feeling lately? What do you need from me this week? Emotional check-ins strengthen relationships. Number 6, different parenting expectations. Sometimes couples discover they have very different parenting styles. One partner may be more relaxed, while the other is very cautious. One parent might say, "Let the baby cry a little." The other might say, "Pick the baby up immediately." These differences can create tension. Fix. Instead of arguing about who is right, discuss parenting goals together. Compromise builds partnership. Number 7, lack of personal time. It's a common struggle, but couples can fix it. Many new parents forget to take care of themselves. When individuals feel overwhelmed or lose their personal identity, it affects the relationship. If one partner never gets time alone to recharge, they may become irritable or emotionally distant. Fix. Encourage the other to take personal breaks. Even 1 hour alone for a walk, gym session, or quiet time can reset your mood. Healthy individuals build healthy relationships. Financial stress is a major reason romance fades after baby. It creates tension that pushes couples apart. Babies bring joy, but also expenses. Diapers, medical care, childcare, clothes, and food can create financial pressure. Money stress is one of the leading causes of relationship conflict. A couple might begin arguing over spending habits or budgeting decisions. Fix. Create a simple financial plan together around money reduces tension and builds trust. After a baby, many couples struggle with social life changes. This is a common hurdle, but it can be overcome. For the baby, couples often spent time with friends, traveled, or enjoyed spontaneous outings. After a baby, social life may shrink. This isolation can sometimes make couples feel disconnected from the world and from each other. A couple who once traveled frequently may now feel stuck at home. Hex, stay socially connected when possible. Invite friends over, plan family outings, or attend community events. Shared experiences strengthen bonds. Number 10, unrealistic expectations from social media. Social media often shows a polished version of parenting. Smiling babies, perfect homes, happy couples. But behind the scenes, many parents are struggling just like you. A couple may feel like they are failing because their relationship doesn't look like the perfect families online. Fix. Remember, social media highlights moments, not reality. Focus on your unique journey. Number 11, lack of appreciation. Over time, this can lead to resentment. One partner may feel like their hard work goes unnoticed. And how to fix it? Express appreciation often. Simple phrases like, "Thank you for staying up with the baby. I appreciate everything you're doing." These words rebuild emotional connection. Welcome back. Today, number 12, comparing pre-baby life. Many couples unintentionally compare their current relationship with their life before the baby. They remember spontaneous vacations, long conversations, and unlimited freedom. This comparison can create disappointment. Instead of comparing, focus on creating new traditions as a family. Family movie nights, morning walks with the stroller, or weekend breakfast together can create new romantic memories. Number 13, neglecting date nights. Many parents stop dating each other after the baby arrives. But romance thrives when couples intentionally spend time together. Even ordering takeout and watching a movie together after the baby sleeps can count as a date night. Fix. Schedule regular date nights, even if they happen at home. Consistency matters more than extravagance. Not asking for help is a common mistake after having a baby. Many couples try to handle everything alone, but parenting is easier with support. Grandparents, siblings, or trusted friends may be willing to babysit, but couples hesitate to ask. Even a few hours away together can recharge the relationship. Forgetting why you fell in love is a common struggle after having a baby. During stressful parenting moments, couples sometimes forget the foundation of their relationship. But the truth is this: the same love that created your child still exists, it just needs attention. Looking through old photos, revisiting places you used to go, or sharing memories can reignite connection. Fix. Regularly remind each other of the journey you've shared. Love grows when it is nurtured. Final thoughts. Romance doesn't disappear, it evolves. Having a baby doesn't destroy romance. It changes the rhythm of the relationship. Couples who succeed at parenthood are not those without challenges. The couples who thrive are the ones who adapt, communicate, and prioritize each other. Your relationship is still the foundation of your family. When the partnership is strong, the entire family thrives. So if your romance feels different after baby, remember this: you are not failing. You are simply learning how to love another in a new chapter of life. And with patience, communication, and intention, romance can become even deeper than before. Join the conversation. Have you experienced changes in your relationship after having a baby? What helped you reconnect with your partner? Drop your experience in the comments. Your story might help another couple. If this video helped you understand relationships after parenthood, don't forget to. Many couples struggle to reconnect after having a baby, but with intention, romance can absolutely thrive again. Many couples struggle to keep the romance alive after having a baby. Thank you for watching. See you on our next episode. I love you all. Bye.